Hi all, welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this tutorial we are going to learn a new different formula that is called XLOOKUP. So let's start guys. So this XLOOKUP formula says search a range or an array for a match and returns the corresponding item from a second range or array. By default an exact match is used. So if you see in our previous videos, we had learned two formula. The first one was HLOOKUP and the second one was VLOOKUP. The drawback of those two formula was those formula were giving me the result in a succeeding way, and the like although it is not a drawback actually, I would say this is not dynamic, or you can say non-dynamic only. And the second was those formula were giving me the result that was like approximate match. So to resolve this problem, we have this XLOOKUP formula where if you see in front of you, this is the table where name of employee, their ID and date of birth, the gender, date of joining, and a couple of more things has been given. And from this table, we have to fetch the date of birth from this given employee ID. If we were putting this formula VLOOKUP, we have to give the lookup value, and after that we have to select the array, and after that the column index, that is nothing but 2. And after that, if you see, this is non-mandatory parameter, and in that we have to select false so that we could be able to get our result exact match. Press enter. So if you see, for this particular employee is here Lawrence Rice, and his date of birth is 13 November 1973, like that we are getting the same result. But if we are trying to put this XLOOKUP formula, and the syntax is pretty much same. We have to give the lookup value, and after that we have to give the lookup array, and after that we have to give the return array. Return array is nothing but my array which I supposed to get, or whatever the output would be. And after that, no need to select this optional parameter, we can press enter. This is one thing. In by putting only the three parameters, I'm able to get my exact match. And after that, I just want to tell you guys, in VLOOKUP formula there was no functionality to get or fetch my result in a backward way, but this formula has given me the what do you say, functionality to get the backward result also. How I can do, I can simply change my return array to b6 to b55, like that, and press enter. If you see, I am able to get the name of this particular employee, where his employee id is 2666416. And moving further to this formula, we have three optional parameters. If you see, the next uh, parameter is if not found. If suppose in this example we have this employee id, and this employee id that we are able to fetch from this data, if this got changed, and I have deleted 1 6 so that we won't be able to get our output, and press enter. So ideally this formula should give me the result na. But if instead of getting this error, if we want some another thing that should get reflected, uh, instead of this error, we can simply put in a double quote, and I can refer like a inverted comma close and enter, like that. See, this is one more advantage of this XLOOKUP formula. And moving further to the next parameter also, in the second optional parameter we have match mode, where we are having this couple of more options which we can select to get our desired output. One is like exact match. That exact match is by default selection. After that we have more example like exact match, or next smaller item, or next larger item, and then wildcard character and rejects match. So by our requirement only we can select these kind of parameters. And after that we have search mode also, like from this table, uh, from this name, I would say, if I want to fetch the salary from the last employee, like that, or I want to get the salary from a person who is working in operation department, how I can put this formula. I will copy like a lookup value and I can select like this option value, and after that comma, my return array would be this, and after that no need to select this, and match mode also I'm skipping, and from last to first also I can select. I can simply press -1 and enter. If you see, I am able to get my result from the reversal order also. If I'm just selecting the operations, my the employee who is in the last will get the same salary. You'll see the last salary of this particular employee is 18.75. So this is one more advantage of this XLOOKUP formula. And moving further to the next thing, if you see in VLOOKUP formula, we have only the approximate match, and for that approximate match also we have to sort the data in ascending order. So that's in that way only we will be able to get our output. But in XLOOKUP formula we have nothing to do like that. What we have to do, we have to apply simply XLOOKUP. Before moving further, like this is the table where the students and their particular grades has been given. So for that, what we have to achieve is the grade name. So I have selected the marks, and after that I have to select the array. After that I have to give my grade, and after that not found, I can simply say no, inverted comma close, and then match mode. Here the catch is, see, if an if a student got 88 marks, then he must be fall in this bracket like 75 to 88. So for that we have to select the next smaller item. So for that I can simply select -1 and press enter, like that. And if you see from this table, we will be able to get my result also. That is, ideally the grade should be given to that particular student should be B only. But instead of that, if we will apply VLOOKUP formula here, we'll see what gonna happen. Comma 2 and press enter, and we are getting grade F, which is wrong. So this is pretty much all about this formula, guys. Hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.